On the weekly chart in here, we're going to look at Biogen. We ended the day at basically the 129 area, about 7 cents off of it. And that's going to be important because that puts us right below this 9-day EMA right here. That's the white line. You can see for the past 3 weeks, we've basically been sitting right on that. Well, now we officially closed under that. So we're going to see how this candle plays out to end this week. But right now, we're about $1 off of that right here. That 9-day EMA is trading at 129.83. So that's going to be our first area that we do need to kind of close above before we start working our way higher here on this weekly chart. Now, as far as resistance wise, what are we looking at? Well, obviously, anything above that 9-day EMA, we're going to be looking at this 135 area here to the 138. So it's about a $3 dead zone in here. That's going to be really tough for us to breach. But if we can get above that 138, then we should be looking at the 145 area more or less. Now, as far as our support, since we are below that 129 area, we're going to be looking down here at this lower trend line or the 124s, whichever one of these do come first. If that breaches, then obviously 115 looks like is going to be on the table for a longer term support. Now, as far as our implied volatility goes, everything's ridiculously low in here. There's not a whole lot of options volume, but what volume we do have has been placed on the call side. So kind of take that for what it's worth. But you only have around a $3 expected move priced in by this Friday. So basically $1 a day for the next 3 days. And here's what everybody's pricing in. So we'll see what kind of moves we do get. If we get an expansion in IV, we get more extrinsic value. That's what we want, right? Then hopefully a bigger move will come with the stock. But if not, it looks like everything's kind of contracted in here and we need some sort of expansion just because we're options traders, right? That's what we want. We want that extrinsic value so we can take it into our, take advantage of that, right? As we are trading in here. If you go out to next Friday, it looks right around a $6 expected move and it looks like right around a $8 expected move priced in by the September monthly. So we'll see how we end out this week, where this candle is going to close. We're going to be above that 9-day EMA or below it, right around a $3 expected move by Friday, 129, 135, 138, and then that 124 level or this lower trend line here on the weekly are what we're looking at in here as we're going forward in Biogen. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you are interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.